Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our maintenance guide for the Conga 6090. In this video, we will walk you through essential maintenance steps to ensure your robot vacuum operates efficiently. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a small brush for cleaning. These tools will help you access the internal components and keep everything tidy. Begin by turning off your Conga 6090 and removing it from its charging dock. This is crucial for safety. Next, locate the screws on the bottom of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover to access the internal components. Here you will find the dustbin and the filter. It's important to clean these parts regularly to maintain suction power. Remove the dustbin and empty it into a bin. If you notice any debris stuck inside, use your small brush to dislodge it. Next, let's focus on the filter. Rinse it under warm water and allow it to dry completely before reinserting it. This step is vital for optimal performance. If you find that the filter is damaged or excessively worn, consider replacing it. Remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation if you're unsure about the condition of your parts. Now let's clean the brushes. Remove the main brush by twisting the end caps. Check for hair or debris wrapped around the brush and use your small brush to clean it thoroughly. This will help maintain the efficiency of your vacuum. If you reckon this is too hard, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. After cleaning the brushes, reassemble everything by placing the cover back on and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight to avoid any rattling during operation. Next, let's clean the sensors. Use a soft cloth to gently wipe the sensors located on the bottom of the vacuum. Keeping these clean ensures that your Conga 6090 can navigate effectively without any issues. Finally, it's a good idea to run a test cycle after maintenance. This will help you confirm that everything is working as it should. If you encounter any problems, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your Conga 6090 and keep it performing at its best. Thank you for following along with this guide. Happy cleaning. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.